for calling the Radio Shack, your electronic trading destination. Is Billy. How can I help you? Into your vehicle to use, okay, so like from your lighter and then it is down for you, so it's like a regular plug. Yeah, we have one of those here somewhere here. Let me look and see. Alright, where's that regular one? Where the hell is it? You know what I'm talking about? There it is. Yes, sir. We have a 75 watt one and 150 watt. The 150 watt is $39.99. We're actually on Eddinger and Springdale, this one, but there is one at Magnolia and Adams. Or Edding. Go ahead. Yeah. Alright, bye. It's going, guys. Ready for this jam? Fuck. Yo, what you gonna do? I go to the shack. I'm gonna get me some phones and I'm selling some crack. Cause I bought a little burner from Virgin Mobile and the police can't find me cause I'm gonna throw it in the trash. We got HD video on the camera. We got HD video on the camera. We got HD video on the camera. We got HD fucking video on the web camera. Yo. Come to the shack cause we sell some TVs. Come to the shack, cause we sell some TVs. Come, and you will see Donnie. He's the